Pew Mathematics Paper 2, Wednesday, 14 October 2020. Answer all questions and ensure that your answers to parts of questions are clearly labeled. You should show sufficient working to make your methods clear. Answers without working may not gain full credit. Question number 1. The table below shows corresponding values of x and y for y is equals to square root of x over 1 plus x. The values of y are given to 4 significant figures. Use the trapezium rule with all the values of y in the table to find an estimate for integral from 0.5 to 2.5 square root of x over 1 plus x. Giving your answer to 3 significant figures. Part B. Using your answer to part A, deduce an estimate for integral of 0.5 to 2.5 square root of 9x over 1 plus x. And given that integral from 0.5 to 2.5 square root of 9x over 1 plus x is equals to 4.535 to 4 significant figures, comment on the accuracy of your answer to part B. So we're going to use the trapezium rule formula. I've put the formula at the top there. So we're going to identify the first number y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. And we're going to use the trapezium formula where we would have h divided by 2 and curly brackets y0 plus y4 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3. y0 is the first term, first value for y. y4 is the last value. So it's the first plus the last plus 2 times the rest. 2 times y1, 2 times y2, 2 times y3. And the value for h is 0.5. And you can get that from the table. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. 2 minus 1.5. Or another way to get h is to use as, if you look at the bottom there, a is 0.5, b is 2.5, and h is given by this formula. So 2.5 minus 0.5 over 4, which gives you 0.5. And when you put h is 0.5 and you sub in the values for y1, y0, y4, y1, y2, y3, it will give you the area is approximately 1.50475. And to 3 significant figure, it will be 1.50. And if you put that in your calculator using the integral, you will get 1.51154. So the answer is slightly different. For part B, we know that the value for 9 there is the difference between what we had the trapezium rule formula to work, well, what we use the trapezium rule formula to work out. So it's square root of 9 times x. So we can take the 9 out and find the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So you can multiply the previous answer with 3 to get the new value. So 3 times 1.5, it gives you 4.5. And if you use your calculator, you will get 4.5346, which is slightly different from that. And question 1c, the integral of 0.5 to 2.5 square root of 9x over 1 plus x is 4.5. And that 4.5, which is 4.5 to 1 decimal place or 2 significant figure. And the one we are given is 4.535. If we round that to 1 significant figure, to 2 significant figure, or to 1 decimal place, we will get the same 4.5. So to 1 decimal place, or to two significant figure, the answers are the same. And how do we calculate percentage error? You use this formula: approximate value minus exact value divided by exact times 100. And we use this absolute sign because we just want the percentage, not negative values. So 4.535 minus 4.50 divided by 4.535 times 100. That gives us 0.77%. That is accuracy of less than 1%. So the answer is accurate to two significant figure or one decimal place, because to two significant figure or one decimal place, they have the same value. So answer to B is accurate, as 4.535 is 4.50.